Footprinting pen test is used to determine an organization's publicly available information on the internet. The information could be network architecture, operating systems, applications, and users. Pen testers try to gather publicly available sensitive information of the target by pretending to be an attacker. Pen testers should try to identify all loosely available information and report to management with suitable recommendations to fix the issues. This type of testing helps prevent DNS record retrieval from publicly available servers, avoid information leakage, and, to some extent, prevent social engineering attempts.
So we are going to take a moment and go over the steps to footprinting pen testing. Footprinting pen test is used to determine an organization's publicly available information on the internet, such as network architecture, for example, operating systems, applications, and, as you mentioned before, users.
Right. You start penetration testing with getting proper authorization to carry out the penetration testing from the management, administrators, etc. You must define the scope of your assessment and testing. You need to know what networks you're going to look at, what websites, what servers, applications, etc.
Right, and in addition, use search engines to start the footprinting exercise. You can use search engines such as all the basics, Yahoo, Google, Bing, and Dogpile. These will help to carry out social engineering attacks. Carry out website footprinting using tools such as HTTrack, Website Copier, Black Widow, and WebRipper. Build a detailed map of the website structure and architecture. And then carry out email footprinting using tools such as Email Tracker Pro, Polite Mail, Email Lookup, among others.
Then gather competitive intelligence about your organization using tools such as Hoovers, SecInfo, BusinessWire, etc. Perform Google hacking using tools such as GHDB, MetaGoofle, and SiteDigger to determine security loopholes in the code and configuration of the websites. You can use advanced Google operators as well.
Right, and use Whois database to extract information about specific domains. You can use tools such as Smart Whois, Country Whois, and Whois Pro. Carry out DNS footprinting using tools such as Dig, NSLookup, and DNS Records to determine the key hosts in the network. Try to get the IP address and DNS records. Carry out network footprinting using tools such as Path Analyzer, Prom Visual Route 2010, Network Pinger, etc., and create a target network map.
Sure. Now, carry out social engineering attacks to gather information about the organization, technology, and try to gather credentials. Use social network sites to collate information. When you have all of the above, or the ones suitable, collate a report and publish to your management.